It's been the best opportunity to talk about film and all things film related that I've had since studying film school, with a really wonderful group of people who are so open-minded and happy to share.
It's encouraging to see that. It's not easy. The older we get, the more rigid we become in the way in which we do and think, and so to see people just kind of rip that away and try new things, it's encouraged me to do the same. So yes, I'm here as a mentor, but I ultimately feel very much part of the participants, and I feel part of this group. It was very exciting to be in that space. So being across from people that I can learn from has ultimately been what made this so special.
Sometimes, to really shape your point of view or change your point of view, you have to remove yourself from what feels like your everyday life. Makes for a nice week of your life, frankly. You're around great people, you're meeting interesting people with a different perspective to your own. You're creating a sense of community, and also the Frankies have done a great job on lacing in a sort of cultural element to the trip.
I have to say that one of the coolest things about being part of this experience is seeing how there's so much passion. So it's great to see that there are people that are taking a risk, traveling across the world, getting out of their comfort zone to be in a place that really can get them to finesse their skills that maybe they wouldn't be able to in the comfort of their own home.
The energy build up, the thrill of knowing that I was accepted, that I was going to be sharing in a first-time experience with other creatives, and I could see that I was going to be with people I could put my trust in. Even though it's the Quiet Collective, there's a thing that goes on inside of you, and as you get out of your comfort zone, that there's an intensity to that you kind of got to breathe and be with, and then know that later on, that's the Quiet Collective. That later on, it's going to show its rewards.
So my expectations were like here, and then my hope for like, oh, this could be something really cool if, they do it as they're promising. Like it was here, and then the dream was right about here, and it's here. It's so good. It was so cool, like how everybody was like just so nice.
And what's been so beautiful is that the invitation in between is to be still and be with your creativity. And in those spaces, the Quiet Collective is stepping in and trying to offer a place where you can have that experience, where you can see what that feels like for you, and invites you to sort of bring that spirit back into your own world, or to form your own little quiet collectives wherever you are. There are many things that can be accomplished when we slow down enough to get present with ourselves and with each other, and look across the table and look within ourselves and see what's there.
Si vous hésitez encore à venir, je pense que vous ne devez pas hésiter, parce que vous allez rencontrer un endroit extraordinaire, rencontrer des personnes extraordinaires. Vous allez grandir, vous allez grandir de cette expérience, et ça va vous en apprendre beaucoup sur vous-même.
Frank and Francie, these people are amazing. I will never forget this experience. So I want to thank them for all the work that they've done and they've done a lot of work to put this on. And so, yeah, you got to come. What else is there? Take a week off. Come, get mentored, meet amazing people, find your tribe. So yeah, you gotta come and experience it.
You take the time off to refocus, recenter, rethink, revisit, and come back at it fresh with a new point of view.